Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use green screen on the VN video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to launch my VN video editor on my mobile phone. Okay, this is my VN application and I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on new project right here and then I'm going to select video based since we want to edit a video. Okay, and you can choose a video you want to edit. For example, I'm going to use green screen for wait, I'm just going to pick random video from my gallery. Okay, for example, this one guys, I'm going to use green screen for this video. Okay, now the video has been added to my VN project and I'm going to add green screen video. I'm going to click on this option and then we can select photos or video. And wait, I'm going to add my green screen video. Okay, the green screen is right here. I'm going to add the green screen billboard and I'm going to click on this option to fit the screen. Okay, now it's done and then I'm going to remove the green screen from this video. If we want to remove the green screen, we can go to the chroma feature. Okay, you can scroll all the way to the right until you find this chroma feature and then you're going to place this color picker on the green color to remove it and adjust the intensity and also the spill. Okay, I'm going to make it 100% and then click on the check mark. And then now the green screen has been removed and I'm going to adjust the video. I'm going to tap on my video and then I'm going to make it smaller and fit this video in the green screen. You can rotate it if you want. You can use two fingers to rotate your video and to zoom in or zoom out. Okay, and you just need to keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And I think now it looks good and this is the final result. Okay, and then once you're ready to save this video to your device, you just need to click on this icon. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use green screen on the VN video editor app. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.